Forget expensive ad campaigns, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to free viral UGC ads that'll have your brand trending without spending a single penny. First, understand that authentic storytelling is your superpower. Think about what makes your brand relatable, what problem does it solve. Focus on real people, real experiences, and real results, ditching the polished perfection for genuine narratives, so reach out to your loyal customers. Send them your product and encourage them to create videos on your behalf. Next, tap into emotions by creating videos that resonates deeply. Make people laugh, cry, or feel inspired. And that's your golden ticket to shareability. Consider, what feeling can your brand evoke? Can you highlight a heartwarming customer story? Focus on relatable situations that your audience can immediately identify with. Time for strategic distribution. Simply posting isn't enough. Know where your target audience hangs out online. Is it TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or all of the above? Tailor your UGC to fit each platform's style. And don't forget to encourage viewers to share by including calls to action, like tag a friend who needs this or share your own experience below. Remember, consistency is key. And by following these steps, you're not just creating ads, you're igniting a movement. So embrace the power of free viral UGC and watch your brand explode. Be sure to like and subscribe for more game-changing marketing secrets.